I've always seen that in your kitchen. I've always wondered, like, what is that for?
Holy shit.
Oh shit. Cross your fingers, everybody. Let's see if this thing will actually start. We put it back together. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Long drive out here. We took the bike. It's back there somewhere hiding in the sunlight, but we are here with Serpent Stangs in his garage, and we are going to be working on this today. 2003 Cobra. As you can see here, he's doing a lot of work to it so that he can actually offload this so you can get the 2020 GT500. This thing is almost paid off, right?
It's just about paid off with what this car's worth. It should be just enough to pay this thing off, and that is what is going to allow me to get the GT500 basically.
Nice. GT350R. You guys probably have seen this on the channel once or twice, but if not, I will link a couple of videos above. But basically, oh, I'm falling on all this stuff here. I fell right down the stairs. Hey, this is yeah, unedited. This is real. We trip and fall and make mistakes, but he's got tons of aero and he does all the track stuff. So this is how the car looks, and this was his latest addition. Was this bad boy back here? Ginormous wing.
And this is a track car only, guys, so leave the comments out about how the wing looks stupid.
Oh, the wing is so big. Oh my god, yeah.
It's track only, doesn't even have a license.
It's purpose built.
It's actually for competition use, so
yeah,
we'll be using it for the first time in a sanctioned event at the end of September. We're going to be at the SCCA Time Trial Nationals, so hopefully we're going to be holding down the Mustang community, and Ford Fest is going to be tying in.
That's
with
right.
The SCCA event,
yeah.
So hopefully we'll have the fastest Mustang at Ford Fest.
Yep, and this guy can drive. I've personally know from experience from the shotgun seat in this thing. I almost peed myself several times. But what are we doing to the Cobra today?
Well, as much as we can get done. I mean, it's basically this is pretty much almost the finished product here. This side here we still have to buff out. That you can tell it's a little dull over here. Yeah,
special.
I just added the Kenny Bell 2.2 Supercharger. This is actually a discontinued blower, so you can't even get this Supercharger anymore. Oh. Those of you guys that know 03 Cobras and the Kenny Bells from back in the day, this is like the Screamer. This is the loud one that you can't get.
I remember those snakebite videos. Yeah. Yeah, they were awesome. What pulley size is this?
This is a 3-inch pulley, and then we also have a 4-pound lower pulley. So with this combo here, it should make over 20 pounds of boost. Okay, yeah, my old one, we did a just a port and polish on the stock heat, and we did a 275 upper and a 2-pound lower, and mine did 515, 520, I think, wheel. This is probably considerably faster than what mine would have been. It should be. I was always hoping it would be around 620, 625 to the wheels.
Wow.
With this setup here.
Okay.
And of course, if anybody that, any potential buyers of this car, all this car would really need, because it has a fully built motor.
Yeah.
Fully built Texit aluminum block. All you really need to take this thing to the serious next level is a return style fuel system, and then go E85. And with this blower and any pulley combo you want to run, you should be able to make over 700 to the tires, which,
sweet,
on a 3,400-pound car is
a lot. I like the hood. I like everything about it. So yeah, he's basically. Ooh, look at this. I still got the window sticker on. Are you serious?
No, that's from the R.
Oh, I was about to say.
Everybody has that.
I was like, does this really have the?
Because everybody says that.
That's pretty cool, though.
Yeah.
Oh man, so yeah.
It's just a place to keep the R's window sticker that doesn't get messed up.
That's pretty neat. I like that. But yeah, it belongs to that car over there. See, we're falling again.
This is how you know a real man's garage, because I actually work in here. So
yeah, so me and you both turn our own wrenches, which is cool. But yeah, some of the carbon fiber inlays there. Looks good.
Tripping some more.
Yeah. So this is basically coming back together. He wants to sell it, probably for a good price. Just definitely hit up Svt Mustangs if you're interested in something like this.
It doesn't look the greatest now, but it's, I mean, you're just,
well, it's a fast project.
Sanding and buffing, you know, slime everywhere, and it's been sitting here collecting dust in the garage for like 2 years now. But when you guys see it all finished and cleaned up, I mean, it's literally in mint condition underneath all this crap. And it has 23,000 miles roughly on it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's nothing.
Yeah. I've owned it for almost 7 years now, and I have about 250 miles on the car that I've personally put on the car.
Wow. So we're gonna get to work doing something I'm not sure yet, but it needs a little bit. So we're gonna spend a little bit of time. He asked me to come over and help him, so that's what we're gonna do. And also want to talk to you guys a little bit about my Mustang and the status and where it's at. So yeah, Mustang for me, mine 2019 has been in the shop waiting. Basically, it's still waiting. I called Monday, so like 3 days ago, and asked about the status of it. Had they started working on it yet? And the answer was unfortunately no. But we still have the Edelbrock Supercharger and all of that stuff from Hellhorse on the way. There's a little bit of mix up with shipping, but we're getting it fixed. It is still coming, guys. And whether or not that thing shows up in time before they actually start working on the car will determine if I actually pull it back. And then, you know, just throw it on in a couple of days, and then we'll finish it up after, you know, the car gets repainted and after the accident and stuff like that. So basically that is the update on my Mustang. But as far as this one goes, yep, we're gonna go ahead and get to work.
Sounded like an idiot in half that shit.
Oh, no. I sound like an idiot in every single video. It's okay. What people need to realize is, like, I know people watch YouTubers and they're like, oh, you know, they sound like, at the end of the day, we're just people, you know what I mean? Just like everybody watching. We're just gearheads trying to figure stuff out and share our journey on the internet. That's all it is. But this is wow. We just did, and I'll link this one above too, we just did a sick review on a 2011 GT500. But that car, I tell you, one of my dream cars that I never owned was like a 2013.
I know.
Yeah, with the track pack.
The only reason I never owned that car was because the S550's release timing was just, it was right there.
Yeah.
It just came like, okay, should we get a 13 GT500 or should we get like the new S550? And it was, I don't know, when I first saw the car and all the interior just got so much higher quality in the S550.
Yeah.
And the car was just so much more refined. It was so much more of a refined sports car to me that I went with the S550. I got a GT back in 2015. Looking back on it, I do wish I should have got the 13 GT500, sat on that until the 350 came out.
I think I should sell mine and then get a 13.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to do that, guys. But but I would love to own a 2013 track pack GT500. I think that'd be sweet. And I don't know what color we'd want, but man, they are awesome. I love them. But yeah, driving the one that we did earlier this week was a lot of fun. But yeah, all right, so we're gonna get to work and then do a couple of things. I think he is still sanding down. You're gonna wet sand this?
It's mostly all done, but like there's a couple little spots, like if you want to show people.
Yeah.
Like when you're wet sanding, if you see how like right here, you can still see all these little dots of shiny spots.
I do.
Well, that's the orange peel texture in the paint, and that's actually what I'm knocking down. So like if you look here where you just see it's completely smooth and kind of dulled, and then when we buff this back, it'll be, you know, perfectly shiny like brand new paint, but this texture will be completely gone. So it's mostly all done, as you can see, but there's a few little spots where we still have to knock down some of that texture.
Okay, yeah, if you guys can check that out, what he's talking about. So just basically bringing the paint back to life a little bit, and then that way the next owner of this will have a nice clean car. And just needs a little TLC, but at the end of the day, still no 3 Cobra with low miles and is ready to go. Lots of power. Just needs a returnless fuel system, some other goodies, E85, and then send it. So got us an alternator. That's got to go. Okay.
Those are pretty easy to install, I would imagine.
Brand new.
Yeah. And then the new front bumper header panel.
I've always seen that in your kitchen. I've always wondered, like, what is that for? Which car? I didn't know if it was for this one.
Guys, that there's never been any kind of damage or hits on this car. The only reason I'm replacing this, it's actually kind of stupid. This little tab right here, that's where your front bumper clips in right here. And just because this bumper's been taken on and off so many times.
Yeah, it's been worn down, or
it broke that tab off. And, you know,
so yeah, so just too easy to just replace it.
Panel just because it's a 23,000 mile car. And
yeah, let's look at it. All right, brand new. So yeah, a lot of talking in this video, and just basically, yeah, we're just kind of hanging out and preparing. Yeah, preparing for what is going to be coming. So if you guys want to see some restoration stuff on a 2003 Terminator with a Kenny Bell and very low miles, definitely give him a follow, and then I'll be over here from time to time to vlog it too. But yeah, Maximum Motorsports is yep, I remember those guys.
This has a full front suspension at least on it. I'm not 100% on what all was done to the rear.
Okay.
I haven't done anything to it. I know it has an EBOC Pro kit on it, I believe. Yeah, it's EBOC Pro kit.
Okay.
But the front has full Maximum Motorsport coilovers, caster camber plates, Tokiko D-Spec, fully adjustable struts.
Yep. So probably can't see them in there, but that's how it looks. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, you can really see how this sanding is going down. So all of this will come back to life a little bit whenever he starts actually doing all that. But now you used to didn't you used to work, like, do body work stuff?
Yeah, I did that for like 15 years.
Okay, so you know what you're doing.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm looking at this, like, and I'm sure everybody watching the video is like, oh my god, oh my god, he ruined his 03 Cobra. But no, if he knows what he's doing, this is actually, you know, normal to see. So for me it looks scary, for him it looks, huh?
Just knocking down the texture is all we're doing.
Yeah.
And we'll bring back the shine through buffing.
Yep. So we got to get the alternator off. We already got the belt loose, and probably not going to try to, I don't know. Yeah. Got to count up the bolts and probably drop from the underneath the car. That was the best thing about it.
I was just going to say back in the old days.
And they just slide out.
That was pretty easy, huh?
Yeah. You want this one out too?
Yeah.
So watch, this is how you do it. 1 tab, 2 tab, and then it slides out. Probably have to jack the car up, get underneath it. I'd imagine there's one. Oh. I haven't touched one of these in a while.
Yeah, I haven't touched mine in a while. Yeah, you heard that?
Yeah, I did.
You know
I heard it crack, and I heard your arm crack.
That's what I was talking about. My arm. No, I built this car.
Okay.
100% built it.
Okay.
The guy, like, that's what we were talking about earlier, about how these things are worth more in pieces.
Yes.
This was a 900 rear wheel horsepower F1A Pro Charged 03 Cobra.
Wow.
So the guy I bought it from parted out the entire car. It had 23, it's a legit 20,000 mile Cobra when I bought it.
Yes.
But the guy knew that he'd get more money if he just took all his shit off and sold it, separately.
Okay. Makes sense, yeah.
So yeah, I bought it with no engine, trans, fuel tank, because he had a badass fuel system in it and everything. So
so you bought it as like a roller.
Yep.
Oh, okay. That makes a lot more. I got it. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah. But then I ended up buying a lot of the stuff because the guy had an eBay, he put everything on eBay.
Yeah.
So I ended up buying most of the parts from this car actually are the original parts, because it was
that's funny.
I bought everything from his eBay.
That's awesome. We got that original radio, everything.
Yeah, I mean everything really is the only, and I built the motor, so I bought a Texid aluminum block, and I completely built the motor from scratch. So this isn't the original engine, but it's a fully built.
So it's ready for power then.
Oh yeah, this thing should handle 1,000 rear wheel, no problem.
Okay. So yeah, top of the alternator, guys, and then he's got the wheel off. So you come down here, let the light catch up, but yep, there it is underneath. So it should be pretty simple. There's the other bolt. Okay.
Navigating through this colony of spiders.
Yeah, I just put my hand in the spider webs.
I don't like spiders too much.
No, I'm not a fan. Definitely not a fan.
Here's a good shot of them coilovers, though.
What you got? Oh, yeah. Come on, long bolt. Here we go. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
It's free? Yeah, they can't move any of this.
Okay, give me some pliers.
Pliers. That's my new favorite word. Pliers. You want to have a bucket or something?
Ew.
Yeah, that's...
Holy shit. Wow, they made a pretty nice mess.
Yeah, good thing we got the bucket.
Look, it's actually coming out of the fucking...
Yeah, that's, wow. Yeah, bucket was a good call.
I needed to wash my hands anyway.
Okie dokie.
Alright, so I think that's a 10 mil. You want to try that while I hold it? Right there?
Yeah. There we go. We're close, we're close. We're so close. Oh shit. Cross your fingers, everybody. Let's see if this thing will actually start. We put it back together.